Getting annoyed with the Zbot-free trial module DLL error causing your game to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's fix the link between your engine and your system architecture. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for Zbot-free trial module, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This is the Zbot-free trial module, associated with localized ZBot or custom AI bot scripts for titles like CS, Go, or Minecraft. Because it performs process-level memory injection, it is the #1 target for Windows Defender Trojan detections. If deleted, the botting menu will simply fail to appear within the game. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. A missing Zbot-free trial module DLL usually suggests that a failed update removed a critical piece of the ZBot Authentication / licensing module integration, so reinstalling the latest version of your software, where the error was shown, will automatically restore the library and update the registry links. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the Zbot-free trial module file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM space /online space /cleanup image space /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Remember that Zbot-free trial module DLL is part of a complex ecosystem. Changing it manually without updating its dependencies can lead to permanent errors. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. If you're looking to streamline system performance, the link in the description references a maintenance tool associated with Zbot-free trial module. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter Zbot-free trial module critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.